A moonbeam whispers, soft and kind, through velvet skies it starts to win. A lullaby for weary hearts, the night's embrace where healing starts. Soft sounds arrest in mind, leave the chaos far behind. Let the rhythm ease your soul, piece by piece you'll feel whole. The stars hum low a secret tune, a waltz beneath the quiet moon. The shadows stretch but never scare, a soothing calm fills the air. Close your eyes, let worries fade in this quiet serenade. The gentle notes they softly bind, soft sounds arresting mind. Soft sounds arresting mind, leave the chaos far behind. Let the rhythm ease your soul, piece by piece you'll feel whole. The night is kind, the world unwinds, soft sounds arresting mind. Healing whispers sweet and slow, into dreams you gently go. Soft and kind, through velvet skies it starts to win. A lullaby for weary hearts, the night's embrace where healing starts. Soft sounds arresting mind, leave the chaos far behind. Let the rhythm ease your soul, piece by piece you'll feel whole. The stars hum low a secret tune, a waltz beneath the quiet moon. The shadows stretch but never scare, a soothing calm fills the air. Close your eyes, let worries fade in this quiet serenade. The gentle notes they softly bind, soft sounds arresting mind. Soft sounds arresting mind, leave the chaos far behind. Let the rhythm ease your soul, piece by piece you'll feel whole. The night is kind, the world unwinds, soft sounds arresting mind. Healing whispers sweet and slow, into dreams you gently go. sounds low, a lullaby. Shadows stretch as time drifts by. The room is still, the world unwinds. Soft sounds soothe the restless mind. Oh, soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the chaos far behind. Home's embrace, so warm, so kind. In soft sounds, peace you'll find. The kettle whispers, steam takes flight. Curtains dance in the velvet night. A quiet tune, a gentle stream, falling softly into a dream. No need to hurry, no need to roam. Here's the place that feels like home. Walls may hold the quiet air, but love and rest are everywhere. Oh, soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the chaos far behind. Home's embrace, so warm, so kind. In soft sounds, peace you'll find. Soft jazz plays, the notes entwine. Healing hearts, one beat at a time. Let it linger, let it stay. Soft sounds, resting mind. Drift away. The clock hums low, a lullaby. Shadows stretch as time drifts by. The room is still, the world unwinds. Soft sounds soothe the restless mind. Oh, soft sound, resting mind. Leave the chaos far behind. Home's embrace, so warm, so kind. In soft sounds, peace you'll find. The kettle whispers, steam takes flight. Curtains dance in the velvet night. A quiet tune, a gentle stream, falling softly dream. No need to hurry, no need to roam. Here's the place that feels like home. Walls may hold the quiet air, but love and rest are everywhere. Oh, soft sound, resting mind. Leave the chaos far behind. Home's embrace, so warm, so kind. In soft sounds, peace you'll find. Soft jazz plays, the notes entwine, healing hearts one beat at a time. Let it linger, let it stay. Soft sounds, resting mind. Drift away. Drift away. The clock comes low, its steady chime, a quiet pulse, unmarked by time. Curtains sway in a whispered dance, each fold a sigh, a fleeting chance. Soft sounds, a resting. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, a resting mind. The kettle hums a soothing tune. Tea's embrace beneath the moon. The piano weeps, its notes subdued, healing chords in solitude. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, a resting mind. The rain taps light on the window pane, each droplet a balm, each rhythm a chain, to tether the heart to simpler things, like the hush of a night or the song it sings. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, comes low, its steady chime, a quiet pulse, unmarked by time. Curtains sway in a whispered dance, each fold a sigh, a fleeting chance. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, a resting mind. The kettle hums a soothing tune. Tea's embrace beneath the moon. The piano weeps, its notes subdued, healing chords in solitude. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, a resting mind. The rain taps light on the window pane, each droplet a balm, each rhythm a chain, to tether the heart to simpler things, like the hush of a night or the song it sings. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Leave the world, let peace unwind. Home's embrace, so sweet, so kind. Soft sounds, a resting mind. Spill silver on the floor, a quiet glow, it asks for more. Curtains sway in a whispered dance, time slows down, a fleeting chance. Soft sounds rest in mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. Soft sounds rest in mind. The clock ticks faint, a steady beat. Piano notes a calm retreat. A sip of tea, a sigh, a smile. Stay here with me a little while. Soft sounds resting mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. keep spinning round. We'll stay here, no need for a sound. The healing hum of night unfolds, a quiet story softly told. Soft sounds resting mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. Soft sounds resting mind. The moon spills silver on the floor, a quiet glow, it asks for more. Curtains sway in a whispered dance. Time slows down, a fleeting chance. Soft sound resting mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. Soft sounds resting mind. The clock ticks faint, a steady beat. Piano notes, a calm retreat. A sip of tea, a sigh, a smile. Stay here with me a little while. Soft sounds resting mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. Soft sounds resting mind. Let the world keep spinning round. We'll stay here, no need for sound. The healing hum of night unfolds, a quiet story softly told. Soft sounds resting mind. Leave the day's weight behind. Home is here where peace is kind. Soft sounds resting mind. The clock hums low, it barely speaks. The sunlight drapes in golden streaks. A chair that creaks, a sigh that stays. This quiet house knows softer ways, soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the rush, let peace unwind. Here's a haven undefined, soft sounds, resting mind. A kettle sings a whispered tune. The shadows stretch to meet the noon. Books unopened, dreams unfold. This stillness feels like threads of gold. No need to chase, no need to climb. Just sit with me and steal some time. Soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the rush, let peace unwind. Here's a haven undefined, soft sounds, resting mind. The world can wait, it turns so fast. But here we found the kind that lasts. A moment small, yet so complete, where hearts and homes in rhythm meet. The clock hums low, it barely speaks. The sunlight drapes in golden streaks. A chair that creaks, a sigh that stays. This quiet house knows softer ways, soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the rush, let peace unwind. Here's a haven undefined, soft sounds, resting mind. A kettle sings a whispered tune. The shadows stretch to meet the noon. Books unopened, dreams unfold. This stillness feels like threads of gold. No need to chase, no need to climb. Just sit with me and steal some time. Soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the rush, let peace unwind. Here's a haven, undefined. Soft sounds, resting mind. The world can wait, it turns so fast, but here we found the kind that lasts. A moment small yet so complete, where hearts and homes in rhythm meet. Soft sounds, resting. Clock hums low, the world unwinds. A whispering breeze through restless pines. Curtains sway in a tender dance, the kind of stillness that leaves a chance. Soft sounds, resting mind. Let the chaos stay behind. A melody so kind. Soft sounds, resting mind. The piano speaks, its voice so notes like fireflies in the quiet night. Each chord a balm, each key a prayer. A gentle solace hanging in the air. Soft sounds, resting mind. Let the day be redefined. Find the peace you've longed to find. Soft sounds, resting mind. Oh, let the world keep spinning fast. I'll stay here where the calm will last. No need to chase, no need to climb. Just soft sounds and resting time. Soft sounds, resting mind. Leave the weight of life behind. In this quiet, I'm alive. Soft sounds, resting mind. The clock hums low, the world unwinds, a whispering breeze through restless pines. Curtains sway in a tender dance, the kind of stillness that leaves a chance. Soft sounds resting mind, let the chaos stay behind. A melody so kind, soft sounds resting mind. The piano speaks, its voice so light, notes like fireflies in the quiet night. Each chord a balm, each key a prayer, a gentle solace hanging in the air. Soft sounds a resting mind, let the day be redefined. Find the peace you long to find. Soft sounds rest in mind. Oh, let the world keep spinning fast. I'll stay here where the calm will last. No need to chase, no need to climb, just soft sounds and resting time. Soft sounds, rest in mind, leave the weight of life behind. In this quiet I'm alive. Soft sounds, rest in mind. The world can wait, it moves so fast. I'll linger here, let moments last. A gentle breeze, the curtains sway, the clock forgets the time of day. Soft sounds resting mind, leave the rush of life behind. Close your eyes, let peace unwind. Soft sounds resting mind. A teacup warms my waiting hands, like ocean waves on quiet sands. No need to speak, no need to try, just watch the clouds drift through the sky. The world will turn and I'll return, but not until my soul has learned to breathe, to pause, to simply be in this soft jazz tranquility. day grows still, a melody that soothes the will. Soft sounds resting mind, a treasure rare, a gift to find. The world can wait, it moves so fast. I'll linger here, let moments last. A gentle breeze, the curtains sway. The clock forgets the time of day. Soft sounds resting mind, leave the rush of life behind. Close your eyes, let peace unwind. Soft sounds resting mind. A teacup warms my waiting hands, like ocean waves on quiet sands. No need to speak, no need to try. Just watch the clouds drift through the sky. The world will turn and I'll return, but not until my soul has learned to breathe, to pause, to simply be in this soft jazz tranquility. Soft sounds resting mind, leave the rush of life behind. Close your eyes, let peace unwind. Soft sounds resting mind. The piano fades, the day grows still, a melody that soothes the will. Soft sounds resting mind, a treasure rare, a gift to find. Soft sounds resting mind. Clock is shy, it won't move fast. Each second lingers, seems to last. The sunlight dips, the shadows play. Soft sounds drift through a slow day. Oh, soft sounds, they ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds, resting mind. The air is thick with evening sigh, a quiet hum as dreams draw nigh. The world retreats, the noise unwinds. Peace in the corners my heart finds. Oh, soft sounds, they ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds, resting mind. Piano whispers like a breeze, a lullaby that sets me at ease. Brush drums patter like gentle rain, washing away the day's refrain. Oh, soft sounds, they ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds, resting mind. The clock is shy, it won't move fast. Each second lingers, seems to last. The sunlight dips, the shadows play. Soft sounds drift through a slow day. They ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds, resting mind. The thick with evening sigh, a quiet hum as dreams draw nigh. The world retreats, the noise unwinds. Peace in the corners my heart finds. Oh, soft sounds, they ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds, resting mind. like a breeze, a lullaby that sets me at ease. Brush drums patter like gentle rain, washing away the day's refrain. Those soft sounds, they ease my mind. A melody that's kind. No rush, no race, just time to unwind. Soft sounds resting